Hi fellas, this is Kemadix again to the solution. Welcome back to another video tutorial. Well fellas, now we're gonna solve this question. Okay. So this question says the empirical formula of polythene is given by this. Okay. So in order to determine the empirical formula of polythene of this particular polymer, to determine the empirical formula of this particular polymer, we need to at first draw the structural formula for this polythene. Okay. So the structural formula for this polythene is this. So this is the structural formula of this polythene. So here it is the repeating unit. So this is the repeating unit of this polymer. Since this is been repeated, so this is the repeating unit. Okay. So here if we want to determine the empirical formula, we need to find form which section is been written twice. Okay, so in this case here the simplest formula is this one. Let me write this down with a different pen. So here this is the simplest formula. Okay, so if we simplify this repeating unit, if we want to simplify this repeating unit, we will end up like this. Okay, so let me interpret here. So here if we want to interpret here, so here CH2 molecule is common. Okay, so here CH2 is been repeated. Okay, here the CH2 molecule is been repeated twice. So that is why the empirical formula would be CH2. Okay, so that is why B should be the answer here, since this is the simplest formula. Okay, well we may do it in another way. We may try this out in another way, that is here the repeating unit is, let us first write the repeating unit. Okay, so the repeating unit is this one, C2H4. so this is the repeating unit for this polythene. Okay, for this particular polythene. So if we simplify this, we may simplify this thing. Okay, so here since this gets cancelled out by the simplest ratio of carbon and hydrogen is 1 and 2, 1 is to 2, so the empirical formula for this is CH2. Okay, since the simplest ratio is 1 is to 2, the simplest ratio for this repeating unit, is 1 is to 2. Okay, carbon is to hydrogen ratio. Okay, the repeating unit of this thing has the carbon hydrogen ratio is 1 is to 2, so that is why this is the empirical formula. Okay, so this is the empirical formula. Therefore the empirical formula would be like CH2. Okay, so if we simplify this thing, we will get this. Okay. So fellas, I hope that you have understood the question as well as the solution. So that is why B should be the answer. So I hope that by this meantime you have came to know that why B should be the answer. Okay, so fellas, that's it for today. So see you in the next video tutorial, next solution. So until then, stay awesome, stay cool, and as always, best of luck for your exam, and as always, peace with chemistry.